The Galaxy S26 Ultra is back in the spotlight, and this time, the conversation centers around one of its most requested upgrades: charging speed. After months of conflicting reports, the latest leaks are once again hinting at faster charging. Samsung may finally be ready to move beyond the 45 West limit that's capped its Ultra models for years, potentially stepping things up to 60 West at first glance. That doesn't sound huge, but the impact could be more meaningful than expected. Now, before getting too excited, it's worth noting that nothing is official yet. Samsung may have finalized the hardware behind the scenes, but with months still left before launch, the company could always make changes. The Ultra lineup has been stuck at 45 West since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which was fine in 2022, but in 2025, when rivals push 100W and beyond, that limit feels dated. That's why the possibility of 60W charging has fans so intrigued. For a while, rumors pointed back to Samsung sticking with 45W, disappointing many loyal users. But recently, reliable tipster Ice Universe reignited hope by confirming that 60W charging is indeed planned for the S26 Ultra. Does this settle the debate? Maybe not completely, but it's a strong sign that Samsung is preparing a long-awaited boost. And even though 60W won't break records, it's still a meaningful upgrade after years of stagnation. So how much faster would this really be? The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 45 West charging fully topped up its 5,000 mAh battery in roughly 69 minutes. With 60W, the S26 Ultra could shave that time down to under an hour. It's not groundbreaking compared to phones with 120 West charging, but for Samsung users, it's a real step forward. Faster, more reliable charging without compromising battery health fits perfectly with Samsung's cautious approach. There's also another layer to this story. If the Ultra model gets 60 West support, it's possible that the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Edge will also see upgrades. Right now, both are stuck at 25 West, which feels painfully slow in 2025. If Samsung raises them to 45 West while giving the Ultra 60W, it would make the entire S26 lineup far more competitive. That would be a huge quality of life improvement across the board. Outside of charging, leaks suggest the S26 Ultra won't stray far from the S25 Ultra's design language. Subtle refinements are more likely than a dramatic overhaul, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Reports say it could slim down below 8mm, making it more comfortable to hold, while still housing a large battery and the S Pen. Small changes, but ones that add to the overall premium feel. The display could be another highlight. Samsung is rumored to be adding a new AI-driven privacy filter feature, reducing side-angle visibility so others can't easily peek at your screen. It's powered by Flex Magic Pixel technology and could set the Ultra apart for business users. Combined with Samsung's already stunning AMOLED panels, this could be one of the most practical upgrades in daily life. Small sensor improvements, better low-light performance, and smarter software tricks could all add up to a smoother photography experience, keeping the Ultra at the top without reinventing everything. Battery capacity itself is expected to stay at 5,000 mAh. Samsung might strike the right balance between endurance and usability. Of course, chip rumors are still swirling. Some reports suggest Exynos could make a comeback in select regions, while others believe Qualcomm will remain exclusive to the Ultra. Until Samsung confirms, nothing is certain. So should you be excited about the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Honestly, yes, but with measured expectations. It's not shaping up to be a radical reinvention, but it's filled with smart refinements. A thinner design, new display tech, and improved AI-driven cameras all point toward a more polished experience. Sometimes evolution matters more than revolution, and that's exactly what the S26 Ultra seems to represent.